Hello, once again, this is Mildred Opera coming your way. I want to really appreciate you for being a part of this tutorial. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get a domain name. I actually omitted that item on the list, but I just added it and two other items that we are going to be looking at in the subsequent videos. But today I'm going to be showing you how you can get a domain name. That is the fifth item right now, a domain name and a web host. So like I said before, QServers is what I've been using over the years. So we are going to go to QServer website. QServer website is this one you are seeing right now. This is QServer. So we are going to buy a domain name. You have it. You have the link here. If you want to do it, if you want to buy it, just click on this link or copy it. Just click. This is QServers. QServers.com. So you can just type it in and use it. Alright, so we are going to look at how we can get a domain name on a web hosting. I personally have a domain name that I didn't buy from QServers because I was actually using American companies for my web hosting services before I discovered QServers, which is a Nigerian company. So I decided to transfer my domain to be hosted by QServers, and since for the past 3 years I've been using QServers for almost all my hosting services. But because I've already registered those domain names with international companies, I can't transfer it now. I don't want to transfer it because the transfer issue is cumbersome, so I just had to leave it and be using the Nigerian QServers for just the hosting service. So we are looking at how we can get a domain name. So this is the lowest. Monthly is 700 naira, while annually, that is a year, you pay 7,000. So I'm going to click on order now. Okay, this is order now. Let me just check something because it's web hosting. So right, because I wanted to be sure. This is it. Alright, here we are. There's an information when you want to on here. You can see a warning here. You read it because they don't allow. If you want to create a scam site, you don't use their website. If they catch you, they will close your account without refund. So you read the information and know what you are doing. Alright, so I like I said before, I already have a domain name. If you want to create a new domain name, maybe you don't have a domain name at all and you want to buy one, you just register. To register a domain name is already highlighted for you. You just type the name of your business you want to use online, and then you click on NG. Let's say, like I said, Joy Laundry. Joy Laundry. Say joylaundry.com. Say Joy Laundry. Okay, since you want to use .com, you don't need any. Just put the laundry, and then you choose the one you want to use. There is .ng. There is .com.ng. I think .com.ng is a free site. Yes, it's a free domain. I mean, if you want to use .com.ng, that ng extension, that is Nigeria, is free. You see, if you want to use it, they will only charge you for the hosting, but the domain name they give you free. But if you want to pay for a domain, so you can say continue. You understand? Let me just put you through. Alright, congratulations, joylaundry.com ng is available. Now, 1 year at, okay, how long you want to register this for? 1 year at 1,000 naira. Okay, they have started charging money for it. Initially it was free, but now it's just 1,000 naira for a full year. So it's still okay by me. So to me, I think it's okay. It's very, very low. Initially it was, when it started, it was free. If you are getting a domain, an ng extension, you get it for free. But for now, it is 1,000 naira for 1 year. All right, we are going to go back because I don't want to buy this domain, but I'm just showing you how to go about it. Okay, let's just proceed because I'm still going to come back. Say continue. You click on continue. You will be paying for hosting. Now, for now, we are talking about domain name. Okay. All right, it's still loading. Okay, I think it's finished loading. Let's see. All right, so you have 1,000 naira, 700 naira monthly for hosting, web hosting. Now, web hosting. You see, then if you want to continue, you click on continue. If what they are telling you is okay, Joy is available, joylaundry.com.ng is available. Now, see the web hosting starter pack, 700 naira a month, and plus VAT and everything is 752 naira. If you want, you continue. Let's just click on continue. All these ones you don't need them. It's just extra money for you. So for as a beginner, you don't need them. Advanced DNS management, SSL sites, and all the rest of them. So just click on continue. Okay, yeah, we are now in another page. So we have joylaundry.com.ng. It has 1 year hosting, and DNS management is free for 1 year. Okay, DNS management is free, right? Okay, now this is how you just follow the instruction. It's very simple. All right, you can see now the domain name that I told you before. Initially it was free, but now it is 1,000 naira for 1 year. Then we have Linux starter pack, the web hosting service is 700 naira plus VAT and everything. You are going to be paying 1,182 naira 50 kobo for 1 year. So you are paying for the hosting. If you want to be buying every month, you'll be paying 700 every month. So if you have 7,000, it's better you buy the hosting at once for 1 year so that you save money. Except you just want to try it out with just 700 naira. If you want to be using it regularly, why not just pay for 1 year and save around 2,000 naira or thereabout than spending extra? So this is it. After you have done this, you are now directed to this page. You can see it. The information is already there. You just have to pay 1,182 naira for 1 year, and for 1 year domain name, while the hosting is for monthly 752. If you like to make it a year, you can pay 7,000. It's cheap. At least you save how much? Instead of paying 7,000 for 10 months is how much? It's for 10 months is 10,000, and then for 2 extra months is 1,400 naira extra. So instead of you to do that, you can just pay for 7,000 naira for complete 1 year. Then you fill in your full name, your address, the correct address please, and your company name. If you have company, if you don't have company name, just put any name that you think you like for your business. Put your city where you are, your email address, your password. Your password. I think you also be asked to confirm password. Now, enter password and confirm password is not enter password and confirm password is not something that you just, if they find the same thing, there is no different password. You just enter your password and you confirm it by repeating it in the next line, the next space provided there. Then you add your phone number, and just like that you continue like that until you fill up everything, your phone number and everything. After filling up, when you submit it here, after submitting it, you'll be asked, you also choose the option domain registration information, okay, and everything. You add all this if in case there is a promotion, there is no promo, we just enter. We do not have any promotion code here. I didn't use any promo code. I'm not even aware of any promo they are doing anyway, so I don't know. But it just, after putting the right information, you come down to checkout. Then you also choose whether you want to pay with InterSwitch WebPay using that is online payment, or you want to transfer to the account. I think the best thing is to choose, because you want to use InterSwitch or WebPay, they charge you by percentage. Just do a transfer. They won't be charged up to 10 naira from your bank. Just do a transfer and send it. If you don't have a code to put here, you don't need to fill that place. Just send it and you click on checkout. You'll be taken to the next page, and you will be given the account number to which you will pay the charges. So that is it. If you don't have a domain name and you just want to buy one now, that is how you go about it. Now, because I already have a domain name, I'm going to be showing you how to get the hosting. And there is another thing I'm supposed to show you. Let me see if it's there, because in actual sense, you are supposed to, okay, we have already passed that stage, so you are going back, because you can reduce. You will see empty cart. Empty cart means which means if you don't want to make the payment again, you change your mind, you can actually opt out by going back, removing everything back. Okay, just as they told us. I'm just about to show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so I think we are done with this. Yeah, continue. Let me just show you, in case you don't need it, you change your mind, you decided to change your mind, you can actually remove it from the cart, because they will add everything for you. So it's left for you to change it. Okay, let me continue. Alright, this is what. Okay, still have to click on this, continue. Alright, review and check out. Now, if you don't like what you have added and you think that, I don't like all this one, the thing is too much for me, it's expensive, you can decide to remove it. Look at it. The web hosting, if you click, say remove, that's 700 naira, you remove it. Are you sure you want to remove it from your cart? Say yes. It should be removed for you. Then domain registration too. If you say you don't want it, you want to remove it, also empty it. You said okay, you change your mind, so it has been removed. Your shopping cart is empty, so it is empty. You can continue to shop. Clicking on the link, it will take you back to where you choose what you want. But let us go back so that I will show you how you can actually get a domain. If you have a domain name already, like I have domain name, I really need to buy a domain and a hosting rather, so that I will show you how you can do that. And then, because we are going to use that to install WordPress and create our website, so it's important that I get one hosting service. Alright, we are now at that same page that we chose to enter Joy Laundry. We are not going to use that again, but because I already have a domain, I'm going to click on this and say I will use my existing domain and update my name servers. Now I'm asked to enter my domain name. Alright, this is my domain, it's already here, ma.grace concepts, I say .com. Okay, so click on continue. Okay, So we continue. You can see I'm charged 700 for a month, and that is what I want. I don't want more than that because I'm not using the domain for now. I have things I'm doing with it. So okay, now I have to pay 752 naira 50 kobo. Okay, so I'm going to enter my name because I am an old customer. I'm not going to be putting my name as new customer. I will just click on existing customer because already I have an account here with QServer. So I say existing customer. Now I'm asked to enter my email address, which I'm going to be adding. See, all right, I'm typing my password to log in. Alright, I click on. You have to check that box. I forgot to say then. Check out. And I'm also choosing bank deposit or transfer, like I told you before. So I'm checking out right away. Alright. Because I'm already an existing customer, I didn't need to fill anything now. This is my invoice which I will pay. You know, that is how it is also when you are paying for anyone. I didn't mean we continued. This is what you will see. After adding everything, they say checkout. You just click on checkout. This is where the next page is where you see the amount you're supposed to pay and the bank details to which you will pay to. You see the account number here. They have two account numbers. They have GT Bank and Zenith Bank. I always use GT Bank because I also have GT Bank account, so I use GT Bank for transaction with QServers. So this is it. This is my address and everything. My information is already there, so I just need to do what? You can download the receipt, the invoice if you like, to be able to remember it. So I am going to end it here because what I'm going to do now, I'm going to make the payment from my app, so I don't need to show that to you, but this is it. You can download. I click on download now. It will be downloaded, and then even if I need any information, I can go back there and be sure of how much I'm supposed to pay. I'm supposed to pay 752 naira 50 kobo. So that is it for this video on how to get a domain name and a hosting service provider. So we are going to be looking at the next item on our list in the next video. Of course, we are through with this one, getting how to get a domain and a hosting. We have gotten information on how to get a domain name and hosting. Now we are going to be looking at how to install WordPress. That is the next item on our list. Thank you very much for watching. I'm going to make the payment, and then the moment this is confirmed, because it takes about 24 hours to propagate before you can install WordPress on your site after you have paid for your web hosting and domain name. So the moment I make the payment and my payment is confirmed, because I already have a domain name that's already propagated, I can just start right away. So in the next video, we are going to be watching how to do the installation of WordPress, and then from there we proceed to add some of these items on our list. Then wherever we are able to stop, we'll come back to continue from there. Thank you very much for watching. God richly bless you.